Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This one you guys didn't see nothing. I didn't get to film anything. I was actually late getting to the auction because I went to the address that they said to go to, went in the building, and there was chairs there like they were setting up for an auction, but nobody was there. I wound up going next door talking to a lady, and she told me that I scared her. And she said, "Oh yeah, just go ahead and search around. Go ahead and get your number." So I went back over there, pulled my little red cart. I don't know if you guys know, I have this little red cart that I use. But I went and got that out of the truck and went in and find out it was down the street. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this one. So I spent $614. That's tax included. I think I did pretty decent. Let me go ahead and show you guys. So I paid $5 for this old 1979